Hi, I'm Dan Fernback with MarineMax Huntington, New York. Standing here on the 420 Outrage by Boston Whaler. Let's take a look. First thing you're going to notice is the quad 350 Mercury Verado. Thing really gets it moving. Then you're going to see over on the port side has a very large tuna door or dive door. Fold in aft seat. And then you're also going to have a starboard seat that folds in as well. Grill, sink, refrigerator, tackle storage. This boat has it all. And for easy storage. If you follow me forward, this boat also has nice stadium seating, so you can take this piece, it folds up, so the people in the back row have a nice view. Forward with the helm, you're going to have independent 3 forward-facing seating, as well as triple Raymarines, and a very large protected compartment. Also Axios and Seakeeper. The sleeping quarters and everything down below is absolutely stunning. Let's go take a look. Moving up to the bow, you have JL audio speakers, also triple facing seats, and plenty of wraparound seating. This also converts, as you can see, to a lounger or a table if you want to lift it up as well. For more information, my name is Dan Fernback with MarineMax Huntington, 908-330-2727. Thank you.